Dataset is from Kaggle. The data was already clean and sorted, didn't do any cleaning, but added another column for average life expectancy for male and female, which is our primary metric here. Then, I added some shapes for the heading and the cards that I will add in some time. Decided to keep everything simple and sweet, with the primary focus being the life expectancy bars and the cards, and then aside, them line charts for population, line charts for life expectancy, line charts for male and female life expectancy, and line charts for life expectancy gaps. I was experimenting with the scale of the canvas and it worked out just fine. Could do better though, I'm improving every day. So looking forward to amaze myself in some time. Peace.